The bald eagle was chosen as the national symbol in 1782. Its image was placed on the Great Seal of the United States, representing the nation's strength and independence. Bald eagles are found only in North America. Unlike many birds found across multiple continents, the bald eagle was uniquely tied to the land that became the United States. They nearly disappeared from the lower 48 states. By 1963, only 417 nesting pairs of bald eagles remained in the lower 48. Thanks to legal protections, habitat conservation, and the ban of DDT, the species made one of the greatest wildlife recoveries in American history. Their comeback from near extinction proves that through conservation efforts and habitat protection, one of America's most iconic wildlife success stories became possible.